everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I do what I call the Merry-Go-Round Crochet Technique. I'll be demonstrating that with this really super bulky, actually it's jumbo yarn, and with a huge 15mm hook. So let's get started. This pattern will be worked in a continuous spiral, and the only time you're going to join around is at the very end when you're finishing the last round that you have. Alright, so what you're going to do is start with a magic ring, like so. And in the magic ring, you're going to chain one, there's my chain one. Then single crochet and chain two 4 times. So this is the first time we're going to single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet, chain 2, and here's the last one, single crochet, and chain 2, 1, 2. All right. Now, at the end, you are just going to pull on this little yarn end that we used to start our magic ring. Just pull it tight. There. All right, we'll weave this in at the end. Then, you're not going to join. We're going to keep working in the round. All right? Now, for this next round, you're going to find the first chain 2 space. So this is the first single crochet area, then here's that chain 2 space. Just going to stick my finger in so you can see it. I'm going to, in that chain 2 space, I'm going to single crochet, chain 2, let's do this step by step. So single crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet, chain 1. All right, now find the next chain 2 space. Here's the single crochet, and here is the chain 2. In that next chain 2 space, you're going to repeat. So we're going to do a single crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, single crochet, chain 1, there we go, and we're going to do that a total of 3 times. So here's the second time. Find that chain 2 space, insert a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, and last time, here's that chain 2, single crochet, chain 2 space. So in that space, do the single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. There. Now after the second round, you're going to see kind of, well, a square, a somewhat square kind of form, and it'll get clearer as we keep working. So we just finished round 2. Now let's go to the third round. What you're going to do is find that chain 2 space, right here. Oops, hold on. I just did a single crochet. I forgot to chain one at the end there. Chain one. Okay. So in that chain two space, that's actually going to be the corner space. So every time you see a chain two, that is the corner of your square. There's going to be 4 corners of the square, obviously. So in this first chain two space, you're going to single crochet, chain two, single crochet, chain one. That brings us to the next part, which is actually a chain one space. You see that it goes on the top of the square? That part is not a corner. So instead of doing two chains in there, you're just going to single crochet in there and chain one. Okay? And then you see in this next space, in the corner, you're going to insert your single crochet, do 2 chains. That helps make the corner. Single crochet, do 1 chain. There you go. And now we've come to the other side of that square. In this chain one space, all you do is a single crochet and then a chain one. Next, you come to that chain two space, insert the single crochet, chain two, single crochet, chain one. All right, and let's keep going to the end there. So after you chain one, you see this chain one space, just 1 single crochet in there, single crochet in that chain two space, then you do that corner with 2 chains and single crochet in that same spot. All right, chain one, single crochet in the chain one space, and chain one, single crochet in the corner, chain two, single crochet in the same corner. And I'm kind of hopping from the round 3 to round 4 now. As you keep going, you're going to notice that you're working in a spiral and you've got a square shape going on. So if I hide this tail end here, let me just pull it in. It'll be easier to see. Alright, so here's what I have so far. Just gonna stretch it on the ground a little bit. And if I keep going around, I will be making my square bigger and bigger. I'm gonna go around a few more times and I'll show you how you can finish your square off by fastening off. Okay, so bear with me for just a little bit more. I just want to make this square a little bigger so it's easier to see. If you're still trying to figure out the repetitive part of this pattern, let me help you out and let's go through for another round. So here you have a chain one space. It's not the corner of the square, so you're just going to insert a single crochet and do a chain. In this chain one space, not a corner, you're going to just do a single crochet and a chain. Oh, look, we've come to a corner of the square. So in here, you're going to do that single crochet, chain two, and single crochet. All right, corner made. There's my corner. Let me go through this side. We're on the flat side of the square, so just chain 1, single crochet in this chain 1 space, chain 1, single crochet in this chain 1 space, chain 1. Oh look, we are at the corner. So we're going to single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and there you have it. You have got another, there's another corner made. I'm gonna come over to this side and I'll show you how to fasten off on this corner. So let's make our way over, chain 1, single crochet. This is some huge yarn and I'm trying to wrangle it right now. All right, now chain 1, and oh look, we've come to this corner. So when you reach, let's say you're satisfied with how large your square is. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, oh, I like it to be about this size. I don't want it to get any bigger. So once you're feeling or thinking that way, you're gonna fasten off. To do so, you're gonna slip stitch to join the yarn in one of the 4 corners, okay? So I'm gonna finish off here with a single crochet. Oops. Actually, I'm sorry, not with a slip stitch join. You're gonna do just a single crochet join. And after you do that single crochet in the end, you can just cut off your yarn here and pull it out. Weave in the ends and you've got a nice little square made. You can use this to make a rug. You can use this to make a blanket, whatever you'd like. And if you check out, or both sides look really pretty, so you could check out the pattern and the stitch. And if you'd like a written pattern, feel free to hop over to my blog. I'll put a link in the description box below, and you can find a written tutorial to go with this pattern. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time crocheting. Bye now.